What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to show you some different styles of bass lines for early 2000 tech house. So obviously you can use these in any genre, but I created them around that sound. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Originally it was meant to be 3 styles, we ended up with 7 styles. So I'm going to show you what I made and hopefully it will give you some ideas for your next track. So 90% of the time these bass lines are very simple, that simple where you think you need to add more, and a lot of the times you don't. So I'll go through some of the sounds, show you what I've done, and yeah, I'm just going to start off with a kick drum here. So we have a 909 kick, and then we have some drum loops from our Crate Audio sample packs. So if you want to get any of these loops, you can get them in the link in the description. So the first one I have here is this, and this, and we have this. All these drums are in our sample pack on the Crate Audio store. So the first bass line we have here is this one. So let me have a listen with this loop. So this one's more of a short kind of plucky one, but it has some long notes in there as well for a bit of variation. So you can see the velocity is changing quite a bit. Some of the notes are rolling into each other like here. And yeah, then we have a big difference in the note length. So you can see how it's running here. That's more of a kind of a groovy one. And then on to this one now. This is more of a kind of a wonky kind of wobble one. It's just 2 notes, very simple, but the envelope's doing a little bit of work here, and we might do some filter work on that. So let me show you this one now. You can see the difference in the pattern here. So the first one, loads of notes, different velocities, lengths. This one, all the same, very simple. It's more wonky. So what I'd probably do with this one, I'd open the filter a little bit throughout the track. You could also put an LFO onto that if you wanted to do it automatically, which could help. Let's see how that sounds. So we'll add an LFO. And then we will map that LFO to the filter. So let me see. Alright, let's get it. Delete that. Right, now it's gonna be crazy, so let me fix it. Go right down. Depth, I don't want to go on 100%, I only want to go on like 20. Less. Now we can see it opening and closing slowly. Probably adjust that a little bit. The offset down, and jitter and smooth. With more of a human feel. Right, so that's one kind of more wobbly one now, and this one, same, very simple, has a little bit more of a groove to it. So let me play this one. I'll just play the drums first and I'll throw it in. You could even duplicate that so that you can see there's more harmonics in this one. So yeah, we could probably duplicate that and maybe change a note just for a bit of variation. We don't have to. A lot of the tracks from back then, they're 1 bar, maybe 2 bar. Let's see what this sounds like. Put the rusty down. can see the difference in these three. Look at the notes, completely different. Right, so now we're going to go on to the fourth one here. This is a little bit more of a subby one, so it's more of a rolling bass line. So you can kind of add some mid bass onto the top of this if you like. For the purpose of the video, I'm just going to keep as a sub. See what it sounds like with a different loop. Yeah. Very subby. Probably bring the filter down a little bit more. That's one of them when you proper feel in your chest. Low ends a little bit longer, and then really closing down on the filter, so cutting out them harmonics. But what's in that gives it the sub a nice tone to it. We have a lot of room on top of that. And then we have this one. So this is a little bit more drive in this one. So let's go. For these drums. Subby as well, but we could probably open the filter a little bit. So you can see the difference in all the patterns. And the envelopes and filters are also playing a part in that. So you can see in that kind of wonky one, it has a bit of attack, so there's kind of a rise into the bass line, which sounds nice when you open the filter. Then we have two more. So we have this one. Let's see what this sounds like. Right, let me one channel on first. Very plucky short notes. You can see here, up and down octaves, and we have a little bit of a rest here as well. It reminds me of like beat it back in the day. So there's quite a difference in each pattern. And then last one, I'm going to play it with this drum loop. So there's another drum loop from our Crate audio pack, which is really nice. Right, and then the last bass line. More of a groovy one. Kind of a psychedelic, trippy one. These bass lines remind me of like Martinez Brothers and Jamie Jones and like 2012 or something like that. If you look at their Boiler Room back then, there's a lot of kind of sounds like this. So yeah, that one's kind of trippy, it's kind of bouncy, has a big rest in the middle. They're all fairly simple. So yeah, there we have it, gang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bass lines for early 2000s tech house. You can also apply them to any genre of house. It's just a sound that I've been kind of jamming with a lot lately. So yeah, if there is anything you'd like to see in the future, drop a comment, like, subscribe, let me know. And if you want to check out our packs, the link is in the description and the free pack is there also. So thanks for watching, gang. We'll leave it there.